that one. Here's the thunderstorm coming into Yakima. What do you guys think?
I'm scared. I'm scared too much.
No, he's down. But when I hurt you going up, and not scaring you.
Whoa.
No, that's on TV for real.
Here comes the rain. You can hear someone's house alarms going off. Ooh.
Call you in.
He knows already.
Come on, Leah.
Talking to your mom?
Mom! Don't you cry, Mom! That's Tina's there.
Here comes the rain. Shooting sideways. Oh, there was a big one right there. I missed it. Yeah. There it goes. Yeah, that was thunder. There's another one. The rain's coming right in. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I'm getting rain up. Really?
They go in a
Did they?
Come. You can see from here.
Alright, well, it's going to get rain on the camera.
Stop. You can't open it. Look at
Whoa, nice one. Getting all wet. Let's go inside.
You can see from here, Dad.
Why are all the lights off?
So I want to